Hello, everybody. Today we are talking AI or Sortifyd Magic. My name is Em. I'll encourage you to grab your cup of coffee, your cup of tea, maybe your bottle of water, and get comfy. We are ready to go. Okay, so Sortifyd Magic you can find from your home screen. So this is the home screen of the Sortifyd app. And the just above and beyond of this is it's not just AI where it's kind of what you give it, you get. So when I say that, I mean it's not a button where you have to press it, type in what you want, and then it gives it to you. While that is incredible, and there are ways we can make that happen, there are preset things done here. So smart actions that are already created and shortcuts that based on the function of this app have been developed because it makes sense that you would be able to now do this quickly or have the help. So what I mean from that, again, rather than this just being Sortifyd Magic, type in what you need, you have things that are already set here as smart actions. So we have quickly add calendar events, which is like, it kind of shows here this microphone. If I click on this, when I click on this yellow box, my keyboard comes up and I press the microphone and I can talk about my whole week. So if I'm someone who doesn't want to take the time to, on Sunday, I'm so overwhelmed and I'm like, oh, I have all these events and I just don't want to sit here and sit on my phone and enter in each event in time. Talk it out loud. One, that's good for you because saying it out loud, you're going to get familiar with your schedule. But then Sortifyd will use AI to organize out those events. So I can say, like, there's the example here, lunch with Sarah, green spoon at noon, October 12th, remind me 30 minutes before. And I can keep talking. Like, I can go in paragraphs and give it so many events. I can say, remind me about a meal, continuous stream of consciousness. All right. When you're done, you press done and it takes the little Sortifyd logo, loads, and it will then translate out into whether you needed an event, a task, or a list, basically kind of your functions of Sortifyd at the bottom, and it will organize all of those things out for you. You can also from there select maybe one thing is a little off, so you select everything with check marks except for that, and then it syncs right into your calendar. You saved all the time, you spoke it out loud, and it's done. So this is a really, really great smart action. I probably use that one of the most of these. And then you have backup essential documents. Here you can scan, you can categorize documents into Sortifyd one at a time. So if I'm thinking about I have some travel documents. I know where they're going to go. I just want to get them nicely scanned in. For me, I'll press scan, or maybe you know you're going to take a photo. But this is going to, it's not available from my Mac. Currently, this is showing on my phone, but it would pop up here and I would scan it. So just to show you that, you have organized bill payments, and then if I do click this button, you can quick search up here, but these are all, like I said, curated AI smart actions. So one that I love is planned pet care. From here, again, you have tons of information that is guiding you in the direction, and then we will use AI on top of it. So there's things, yes, that are being replaced, but it's so much more about maximizing your time, your usage, what you're getting out, and also just taking some of that effort away rather than you having to sit here maybe and make a super long list. Let's plan your dream vacation. So you can start by sharing travel ideas. You can answer a questionnaire, and it's going to make an itinerary. It's going to give you some day-to-day ideas. It'll show you attractions in the area. So there's just, again, like the options here are truly plentiful. One that is a really great one is organized paper clutter. So this one is just like you imagine the clutter that is that drawer in your house. Maybe it's your entire desk, and maybe you have a file cabinet you want to get rid of because you don't have a lot of space. get those papers scanned, organize it, and get it in your phone. Your data is safe, it's secure, it's encrypted on your device only, so it cannot be viewed on another device. You're good there. And another one I really love, beyond, I will say the vacation one to me like really stood out, is going to be create your own recipe. So this is a recipe generator. And again, what I love about these is anyone you click into, you're going to get this walkthrough. So it's not kind of just like you have to assume or learn as you go. You're going to get walkthrough of what the purpose is, which is really, really helpful. And it's also not so tedious that like, if you really know how to use it, you just get started. You know, you don't have to read it every single time. But if you have, kind of a general idea or a quick meal, you know, you can, like I said, get started really quick. You can tap the microphone and kind of go over what you're thinking. Maybe you've got some main ingredients in your pantry and you're like, I'm not sure what I can make with this, but I know I have this and I really like to make a good, like I want to make this kind of food. Fantastic. If you have any dietary restrictions or preference, chef's kiss. I am someone with celiac, and so this is an amazing feature to be able to click that gluten-free. And then you've got specials, instructions, or notes, and create your recipe. I mean, that is just something where I'm like, to be able to maximize your usage of AI in that way. I think so many people are hesitant for AI, or maybe you're all in, but it really is what you put in, what you get out. And to be able to be walked through it and given the suggestions and just maybe take a little bit of load off of the stress of everyday life, or maybe you're so busy. These things are here to help. It's your personal assistant. It's not meant to be learned all in a day. Make yourself familiar with these things. Maybe it's a rainy day and you are entertaining and you're like, I gotta figure out a project. Like, I gotta get a hobby. There's things here. We can search, we can add, have fun with it. And again, it's maximizing, it's adding, it's filling beyond your cup of Sortifyd, and you're just going to get more out of it. Remember, if you ever have any questions, Sid the Squirrel up here is always here to help. You can also email at support@sortifyd.com. And you can also, just before I run off and forget this, you can pin your favorite smart actions. So maybe you have different ones that you really, really like, that you want up here. So if you gravitate towards, you know, quickly adding your calendar events and maybe the recipe, those can be what you have pinned. So customized to you. That's always something you got to remember. And remember that it's all within your Sortifyd. So whatever you, whatever like the Sortifyd Magic creates, it is synced up into your account. So if it's a new meal, if it's something you want to add to your calendar, it's all in the app already. So easy peasy, lemon squeezy, my favorite quote. Sortifyd Magic really just helps, you know, it helps you like gather your scattered thoughts. It helps you make structured plans and just minimize the overwhelming chaos.